Building multiplayer from scratch is a total nightmare. Matchmaking, lag, sync issues, all that. But imagine opening Unity and having 4 complete online games already running on Photon Fusion 2. That is exactly what this bundle delivers. Each project is a full production-ready template. Snake Wars, Hook Wars, State.io, and Headball Online. You get source code for every single one, so you can tear them apart and customize. The networking is built on Fusion 2 with prediction and scalability, meaning mobile and PC are both supported out of the box. Setting up a lobby, matchmaking, and game loops can take months. Here you have 4 distinct genres: IO action, arena, strategy, and sports, each ready to mod and repurpose. It's like having a multiplayer starter kit for every game idea you have. While this bundle just launched on the store and doesn't have ratings yet, the publisher Final Boss is well known for robust multiplayer kits. Early feedback from their community is glowing. One small hitch: after you buy, you need to visit each of the 4 games separately and add them to your cart for free. It's a quick extra step, not a deal breaker. At $600, that works out to $150 per full game template. You get 4 complete multiplayer titles for less than the cost of 1 custom prototype. This one is a steal for any online project. Link in the description. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history, deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. You need a bunch of anime-style characters for your game, but modeling each one takes days. This pack drops in 16 unique characters with multiple outfits, 8 emotions, and 35 in-place animations. Huge time saver. The variety is unreal, from school uniforms to bikinis to pajamas, and even a zombie girl. Each character is humanoid rigged, so you can retarget animations from the asset store. The polygon counts are reasonable for mobile and PC, and you get 151 textures included. Setup is as simple as dragging a prefab into your scene. The emotion system lets you switch expressions at runtime without multiple skinned meshes. That's a clean drop-in for dialogue scenes or visual novels. With a perfect 5-star rating and only 2 reviews so far, early buyers love the art style and value. One said it's the best anime character set they've found on the store. The animations are all in place, so you'll need to add locomotion or root motion for movement. But there are plenty of free animation packs that complement this nicely. For 200, nothing kills immersion faster than a car that sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Getting realistic engine audio is a pain. Recording sessions, layering, implementing. This pack hands you a complete, pro-grade solution. Over 600 individual sound clips covering idle, acceleration, deceleration, turbo, and more across dozens of vehicle types, from sports cars to trucks to boats. Each is crafted with real recordings and modeled for smooth rev transitions. Drop the prefab on your vehicle and it just works. The audio engine handles pitch shifting, RPM blending, and dynamic load changes so your car sounds different under acceleration versus coasting. You can tweak every parameter in the inspector, no coding required. A weekend project becomes a polished experience. With a 4.94 average from 32 reviews, this is one of the highest rated audio packs on the store. Users rave about the quality and how easy it is to integrate. For best results, you'll want to tune a few parameters per vehicle. The default profiles are great, but every car handles differently. That's expected, and the learning curve is minimal. $30 for this is absurd. Freelancers charge 10 times that for a single custom engine sound. You get a full sound design library for less than a pizza delivery tip. This one is an instant buy. Check the link. Need to capture gameplay, make a trailer, or record a replay system? Unity's built-in recorder is okay, but if you want serious control and performance, this is the tool that professional studios use. Record at any resolution up to 8K with GPU-accelerated encoding using NVENC and AMD encoders. You can capture a single camera, the full screen, or even alpha channel for post-production. The Ultra Edition includes multi-track output, so you can grab audio separately. Setup takes minutes. Add a component, choose your codec, hit record. It works with every render pipeline and integrates with Timeline for synchronized capture. You can even capture remote builds or mobile devices. Ratings sit at 3.89 from 9 reviews. Some users mention occasional quirks with newer Unity versions, but RenderHeads pushes regular updates and their support is responsive. The encoding settings can be overwhelming at first. There are a lot of codecs and quality options, but the presets cover most cases, and you can always start with the default. At $250, if one client project uses this for a trailer or recording, you've paid it off 100 times over. Business ROI is through the roof. Professional video capture at a fraction of alternative tools. Link in description. Building an online world from scratch is a massive undertaking. Server auth, persistence, combat, inventory. Atavism Exploit 10 gives you a battle-tested stack that runs on your own hardware. No monthly fees. It includes a full zone server system with mesh-based navigation, resource gathering, crafting, quests, NPC AI, and a built-in combat system. The client side provides UI frameworks for inventory, character creation, and chat. You can drop in your own 3D content and have a playable world very fast. The framework is modular. You can turn features on and off as needed. It runs on Windows or Linux, uses MySQL for persistence, and scales horizontally with additional zone servers. The admin tool gives you live control over your world. A perfect 5-star average from 4 reviews, and the developer is active on Discord. Users say it saved them over a year of development time for their open-world RPG. You still need to understand server architecture and C# to extend it. It's a comprehensive system, not a drag-and-drop magic box. Expect a learning investment of a few days. $249.50 for the foundation of a commercial MMO. Treat yourself, you deserve a shortcut this week. Buy it once, use it on every online project. Link below. Fighting games are incredibly complex. Hitboxes, combos, frame data, netcode. Building one from scratch is months of work. This engine gives you a working fighting game framework that you can modify down to the last line of code. It handles the core loop, character selection, round system, health bars, super meters, combos, juggles, and a robust input buffer. The network play uses rollback netcode for smooth online matches. You get multiple camera modes and HUD widgets too. The editor tools let you design characters visually, set up animations, collision boxes, and move properties without touching code. You can swap in your own models and animations, and the engine handles all the state machine logic. With a 3.64 average from 14 reviews, it's a solid but not perfect tool. Users love the architecture, but note the documentation could be better. The community on Discord helps fill gaps. The initialization setup can be a bit involved. You need to configure your characters and stages through the inspector before you see results. A few tutorial videos would go a long way. $249.50 for a full fighting engine is less than a used game console, and you can publish your game commercially with it. That is absurd anchoring. You get the engine for the price of a dusty console. Grab it now, link in description. RPGs and MMOs live and die by character customization. Building a system that works across different character rigs is a huge challenge. This tool solves it with a model-agnostic pipeline that fits into your existing workflow. The smart bone mapping is incredible. It matches bones across naming conventions, humanoid avatars, synonyms, and fuzzy matching. That means you can create a modular wardrobe from assets purchased on different stores, and it just works. Outfits, hair, helmets, shoes, all register as equipment. You get a runtime character creator with body shape editing, sliders for weight, muscle proportions, face editor with blend shapes, color channels, and save load, all coded in C# with source included, so you can extend it however you want. This is a new release with no ratings yet, but the documentation and video tutorials are thorough. The publisher ARTnGAME is known for quality character tools. Early adopters on Discord are thrilled. Given the sheer flexibility, expect a learning curve to set up your first character rig. The inspector has many fields, and it can feel overwhelming at first. Start with the included sample to get your bearings. $249.50 for a system that handles dozens of equipment slots. That works out to pennies per modular piece. Compared to building this custom, freelancers charge 10 times that. A no-brainer for any character-centric game. Link below. Creating stunning environments is the heart of many games, but juggling volumetric clouds, dynamic water, vegetation, and lighting systems separately is a headache. This bundle brings together 6 pro tools into one package. The results are breathtaking. You get SkyMaster for weather and volumetric atmosphere, Infinigrass for procedural vegetation, Oceanus for ocean and river systems, and more. Everything works across URP, HDRP, and the new Unity 6 render graph. The developer offers personal support via Discord, often sending custom patches. The modularity is extreme. You can control every parameter of clouds, grass density, ocean foam, biomes, and particle effects. For developers who want total artistic control, this is the ultimate sandbox. Presets get you started, but tweaking is where the magic happens. With 140 reviews averaging 4.9 stars, this is one of the highest rated environment suites. Users consistently mention the incredible visual quality and the developer's responsive, hands-on support. The other side of that power is a steep learning curve. The inspector can feel cluttered, and the documentation is spread across multiple sources. Plan to spend a few hours with tutorials, or ask the developer directly on Discord. $230 for over $2,000 worth of individual tools. You save approximately 40 hours of environment setup and polish compared to piecing it together. That time-saved ROI is massive. Grab it and start building your world. Link below. Nothing sells an action RPG like juicy visual effects. But making hundreds of unique spells, hits, and auras from scratch is a huge time sink. This bundle drops over 600 effects into your lap, ready to drag and drop onto your abilities. It covers every school of magic: arcane, fire, ice, earth, holy, necromancy, poison, wind, blood, and more, plus ground slams and pickups. Each VFX is optimized with Unity's particle system and shuriken. You can combine and layer them to create new effects in minutes. The pack includes auras, buffs, projectiles, area effects, and weapon trails. Setup is simple. Attach the prefab to your spell, adjust the duration and color, and you're done. The visual quality is high enough to use in any commercial game. Perfect 5.0 rating from 4 reviews says it all. Early buyers are amazed at the variety and the fact that it's a single consistent style across all effects. With so many effects, finding the exact one you want can take a bit of browsing. The folder structure is logical, but not every VFX has a preview image. Demo each in a test scene first. $200 for over 600 VFX means about 33 cents per effect. Compare that to hiring a VFX artist who charges hundreds for a single spell. This is the best value in particle effects on the store. Check it out now. Augmented reality games and apps are hot, but requiring users to install a native app is a barrier. WebAR runs right in the mobile browser. This asset gives you robust world tracking without the need for a native plugin. It uses the phone's camera to track planar surfaces and place 3D objects that stay anchored in the real world. The tool handles lighting estimation and occlusion, so your virtual objects look grounded. You can set up a simple AR placement experience with just a few lines of code. Because it's web-based, you can deploy your AR experience with a simple link, no App Store approval. It works on both iOS and Android Safari, perfect for marketing campaigns, education, or AR games that you want users to try instantly. With a 4.48 average from 29 reviews, users praise the reliability and the fact that it's constantly updated to keep up with browser changes. The developer is responsive to issues. WebAR still has limitations compared to native ARKit RCore. Tracking can be less stable in low light or on surfaces without texture. For many casual AR experiences, it's perfectly fine. $192.50 for a WebAR solution that lets you skip App Store submission. If one client campaign uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Business ROI that's hard to ignore. Grab it and start experimenting today. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.